ndiyo Munyankole. I'm from Ankole. Ndiyo Mushambo. All, to be specific, omunzira, ninzirepa, nechirr. So I'm a Munyankole, and a real one actually. But this goes to every Munyankole who celebrates, supports, and endorses the insensitive posts of the first son, that is Muhoozi Kainerugaba. It is not a joke, and it is not something that is not unnoticed, and it is not something light. Ebikorwa bye, empandiika ye aha mitimbagano na munonga hari X. Tujejendesereze na munonga itwa Abanyankole abari kuteekateeka ngu turi abamaani ahabw'okugira ngu president hariho n'Omunyankole nitwe turi omu butegetsi tukateekateeka ngu Uganda n'eyitu. Nga titwe tubandize Abanyankole tuba babandize kutegeka Uganda etwireho kandi neza kugumaho even after Munyankole president is gone. Tureke kuteekateeka ngu ensi egi n'eyitu tukareba ebibi tukaguma tubisupporting and tubicelebrating turi kuteekateeka ngu niho Omunyankole ari omu butegetsi. Ebyo ebintu biri temporal. Obwire bwe nubuza kuhika buhwe agende konka obuchayi rwango eyarimu nabiba omu bantu on behalf of Abanyankole, using the Abanyankole, it will not help us. Ebyabire Rwanda omuri 1994 nimubimanya bikatandika biti abategetsi kwenda kukozesa abantu okweyita okweyanga okwikiriza ebigendererwa byabo, the Tutsi and the Hutu. They made the Hutu go against the Tutsi. Mukarebe ebyabireho bikatandika biti omuri ezi insensitive, like these insensitive posts of the first son. Imwe nimuza kuteekateeka ngu muriyo nimucelebrating Omunyankole, muri Abanyankole niwari omu butegetsi niwaine amaani. But let me tell you, his actions, if not stopped, if not condemned, if not put to check, they are going to affect us as Abanyankole. Because people are so tired, people are so fed up, people are so oppressed to an extent that they will go violent if that's the only way that is going to put back this country. But I don't think it is even the right way. But people have no option. To agenda series. This insensitive kind of posting by the first son is going to cost us as Abanyankole. Not all people understand that he has to be held accountable as an individual. People think it's the thinking, it's the view or the views of all the Abanyankole. People think that Abanyankole are well off because of this government. If we do not come up, if we do not stand up and put to check this first son and condemn his actions, we are going to suffer. We might not suffer as we, but our sons and daughters who are coming, the next generations of Abanyankole, are going to suffer because of just one insensitive person who thinks he owns this country. And because of the few poor minds, I must say, poor, all empty-minded people who are supporting, endorsing, and celebrating his insensitivity, it is going to cost us if we do not stand up and say enough is enough. There are some things that shouldn't be taken lightly. There are some things that shouldn't be appearing or happening in this era we are in. Enough. If waba ori Omunyankole orukujaguja orukwesimisa orukwesimira omungeri eyi mutabani wa president arukutwaza no kwa arukuhandika arukubiba ruwango ori omukabi. Uganda ahituriyo ntuza nahabi, abantu baruhire, abantu batamirwe, abantu beyanjire ahabw'obutegetsi bubi, ahabw'entegekambi, ahabwo omuntu omwe orikuteekateeka ngu Uganda neeye arikuteekateeka ngu we naaza kukwata abonabonese atocharinge ayite asibe buri muntu weena orarugeyo akagamba aha nshonga ezi zirikukwata aha ihanga ryaitu ahabwokuba we naateekateeka ngu ihanga eri neeri haza Abanyankole nimbireba aha X abarikucelebratinga omushaija ogwegyere yakoramu ebintu muriyo nimweteeka omu kabi n'abaana banyu na generations zanyu zirikwija mushome ebyenyuma history murebe kandi mwege bikaba Rwanda haza tari munonga ni just hanu yo mu neighborhood haza twabasitimukire nibibasa kwija no kuba mu ihanga ryaitu omu ahabwo omuntu omwe ninga babiri abarikuteekateeka ngu Uganda neyabo. We need to stand up. We need to speak truth to power. It doesn't matter who you are, your position or status. Your voice matters. If you have a platform, stand up and speak up. We are headed for doom if we do not stand up as Ugandans, especially people from the West, and in particular, Abanyankole. Because people think itwe tukaheza. They don't know ngunu tubonabona no kukira abandi bona nkisingiro to be in particular isingiro tetera karuru. There is only one man who decides who is leading and who is not leading. No mubimanya na mnonga banyisingiro. So if someone stands up to show the whole of the country in Abanyankole barije bichi, we should all stand up and speak up, or else it is going to cost us. I'm not inciting violence. I'm not inciting anyone to go violent. We can use peaceful ways, peaceful protests, civil disobedience. We can use peaceful ways to make our points cut across, to speak truth to power, not violent and not violence. But Uganda belongs to every Ugandan, not a single individual. And if we stand up together as Ugandans, tufe munonga habiri kutugita, turuga habiri kutwahura, turwanirira ihanga ryaitu. Ahi turiyo ntuzana habi na munonga Abanyankole, ahi turiyo ntuzana habi ahabwokuba hariho omuntu omwe ninga babiri ninga family emwe eriyo nenda ko ebiri kubiba obucyayi eretira Abanya-Uganda abandi boona bayanga Abanyankole bakuteekateeka ngu twena turi kimwe n'egyo family eriyo erikutegeka ihanga eri n'ogwo mutabani wa president arikuteekateeka ngu Uganda egi neye arikwenda kukozesa Abanyankole okurwana entarozi ebyabire kasese nomubimanya omu kikaari ky'omusinga wa Rwenzururu. Please, we don't need more of that, but we can stop it if we unite as Ugandans and speak with one voice. Anyways, that's all I have to say. History will not judge me for not using my voice to speak up when my voice was needed. Peace.